Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is MC and you're watching Esli Canada, the place to be for international students who want to study, settle, and explore their career here in Canada. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any videos that I upload every single week. Just a quick update that I'm finally launching my course. My first digital course for international students, and that's I think the first course that ever created here in Canada. These programs are designed for aspiring and current international students. I have created a systematic and proven strategies for you to get a specific result to get you started. So I know there are a lot of newbies that don't know where to start, so that's why I created this program. So I've been very busy for the past few months and I've been planning this for almost a year now, and I can't believe it's going to happen soon. And I'm finally gonna have my ever first digital platform, and this is it. It's going to happen soon. So if you want to know more about my programs, that will be in my description box. I'll have it linked in there, and I will have a free training this coming December 19th, and this will be about how to get your study permit and how to apply for it within 4 weeks. So there will be interesting topic that we are going to talk about, and if you want to know more about the program, I will discuss it as well in that training. So if you guys are interested, I will have the link in my description box. So in today's video, we are going to talk about 4 major mistakes that we international students are making, even aspiring international students. So I'm not exempted to these mistakes because even I myself, I made these mistakes. That's why I'm sharing this video to you guys. And also this video is one of my tough love videos that most likely you'll be get upset, or if you're too sensitive, I'm giving you the permission now to skip this video. So now let's get started. So the first mistake that we are making is that we are asking too many questions from too many people. So we are too resourceful. So what happened is when you ask too many questions to different people, you tend to go to different direction, and sometimes you get confused. And if it's exaggerated, if you're doing too much, sometimes it's bad and it's going to ruin your mental health and your application as well. So if you're asking advices from different people, make sure that you keep it in a minimum of 3 people or maximum of 4, and make sure that you have the same background and double check the strategies that they have done before, if it's even applicable to your application or to your case, so that you will not get confused and you will not make a mistake. And if you're asking too many advices, you get different opinions. So make your own judgment. Get someone that will give you an advice in the same career path that you want. They have already succeeded in the same career and the same life that you wanted, right? So yeah. So the number 2 mistake that we are making, or most people are making, even I made this mistake, that sometimes we ask low quality questions. So when you say low quality questions, there are some things or simple things that you can Google and you will find the answer right away. In front of your screen, you will find the answer. But I know there's no such thing as stupid questions. However, remember that you will be judged based on the quality of questions that you are asking. So sometimes if you're asking questions to different groups or FB groups, sometimes you have to do your research first and make sure that you've done your part. You have already exerted a lot of effort before you post your question. And also, if you're posting your question, make sure that you give some details about yourself. For example, if you're asking a question about what is the best program for me, okay, I wouldn't even answer to that question because I don't even know what's your background, what have you finished, what are your experiences. It's so hard to answer that question if I don't even know you, right? So if you're posting a question, make sure that you give some of your details, not personal details, okay? Some details and like about your education, about your work experience, and then make sure that you put some, applicable programs about yourself. So you have done already your research and you're just asking some of their suggestions. So here's the deal. If you're asking high quality questions, you'll get high quality answers. So always take note of that. So the next mistake that we are making is that we are afraid to seek legal help. We are afraid maybe because we don't have money, we don't want to spend money, or we are too confident that we know everything. So, I'm a DIY evangelist, guys. I supported you guys to do it yourself, but there are some cases that sometimes you need the expert. So there are things that sometimes you cannot find it in CIC website, and there's a purpose why IRCC created immigration lawyers and immigration consultant. If ever you will encounter some unusual situation in your application, and if you are in doubt, do not afraid to ask the expert, and it's going to save your application in the long run. And do yourself a favor that if ever you are going to seek for legal help, do it now before you lodge your application. And you don't want to get some help once the damage is done. So you want to avoid that as early as possible. And the only thing that I want to highlight when it comes to choosing the consultant is that make sure that the consultant or the lawyer is right fit for you. There are a lot of factors that could affect you and your consultant in the long run while you're processing your application. It's not only like having a license. That's not the only thing that you have to watch out for when you're choosing your consultant. You have to make sure that their approach or their style is applicable for you. You want to have a nice experience with them while you're doing your application. If there's expert with study permit, if they're expert with this kind of pathway, so there are a lot of things. So I would maybe definitely have a separate video on how to choose your consultant, and I would have that maybe in the next few weeks. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell so you don't miss that video. So just evaluate your situation and evaluate as well your consultant or lawyer. So the number 4 mistake that we international students are making is that we tend to settle to a job or a program that we freaking hate. Just because we wanted to have an easy permanent residency here in Canada. If I'm going to choose versus PR and career, I will definitely choose both, okay? I wanted to be in that sweet spot where you get both. So I want to change that mentality that you are just getting a program in maybe NBCC or in Atlantic because it's easy to get permanent residency there. If that's your goal, you're not gonna go somewhere. I'm telling you this because it happened to me. I went to Nova Scotia because that was my goal. That there are a lot of pathways to different provinces here in Canada. And I know some people are afraid. They don't want to take the leap. They don't want to take the risk. They just wanted to be in their comfort zone. So here's the thing. Once you graduate, you're going to get that job related to the program that you took. And then do you want to go to work and then you hate it every single day? If you will ask me, I will never ever dream that kind of life, okay? You wanted to go to your work, to your job, and then you love what you're doing, right? And that's the main reason why you are studying, not just because you're just getting your PR. Growth is not designed to be easy. And this sentence resonates to me. The journey is not going to be easy for sure, okay? It's going to be hard. There are going to be a lot of challenges. There's going to be discomfort through the process. And maybe one of the example would be my business, okay? I am trying so hard to build my own personal brand, my own business. And I know in my first year, I'm not going to make a lot of money. I'm not going to make any single dime. And I knew that from the start. But still, I continue, and I only listen to the people that will keep me motivated. And if you're afraid to even take that first step to make that change in your life, then you're not going to go somewhere. You're going to be stuck in that same place that you're at for maybe for 10 years now. You're going to be stuck there and you will never grow. You're not going to be successful. And I want to change that mindset. Again, this is one of the tough videos that I made so far. And I know some people are maybe upset right now and maybe they're kind of uncomfortable to listen to me, because I don't want you to just listen to some sugary videos that will not tell you the hard part of being an international student. You know what I mean? Like videos that is just nice here in Canada, everything is going to be fine. No, that's not true. There will be challenges that you will face, and I'm telling you this right off the bat, that it's going to be hard, but it's going to be worth it. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!